So today I'm going to a little waterfall called Ortega Falls. As you can see, we're already pretty high up and I'm only at the trailhead. I'm thinking of taking a couple of shots from here, maybe use a battery up, because I already see some interesting things like graffiti up on the rocks, and I saw some people rock climbing, so I want to capture that. But then after that, I'll go to the waterfall and get more shots. Let's do it. I'm getting a little lost out here. I ended up using 2 whole batteries just sitting in the trunk of my car. Oh yes, it says this way. Oh. Well, I hope the waterfall is this way too. I made it down into the valley, and up behind me is where the waterfall should be. But first, I think the graffiti that's everywhere is part of what makes this place so cool. So here's a little montage of that. So this is actually the main waterfall, as I found out from the footage. A lot more graffiti up here too. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. I plan on getting better at flying this thing. I almost crashed a couple of times, especially with the actual controller, the manual controller. I plan on getting one of those and to start practicing in a simulator. because I really want to be able to do, you know, all the tricks and all that. But I'm having fun for now with just flying with the motion controller and figuring out how to edit, color grade, all those things. Hopefully my skills will get better with time. But yep, thanks for watching, and until next time.